YTF has given a declaration to lock down the entire state within a week like the year 2019. However, the YTF or Tipra Motha has not even spoken against Komoti DM Tarit Kanti Chakma or has conducted a lockdown in the state even after 13 days of the incident.
The movement of Tripura Motha has once again failed in nowhere. The youth organization of Tripura Motha had given a statement to not settle down until the district magistrate Tarit Kanti Chakma of Gumati district is not punished. YTF State President Suraj Debbarma addressed the Chief Minister to take action against the DM of Gumati district within a week during the press meet conducted on 2nd June after the lockdown of Gumati District Magistrate Office. During the press meet, Suraj Debbarma said that they would lock down the entire state within a week like the year 2019 if the DM of Gumati district is not punished.
हमारा अगला प्रोटेस्ट ये रहेगा, अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा अगली 7 दिनों में कुछ हमको इन राइटिंग नहीं दिया तो या फिर सस्पेंड नहीं किया तो हम लोग पूरा त्रिपुरा में जैसे 2019 में जो कोरोना वायरस का लॉकडाउन हुआ है ऐसा बदलाव हम फिर से लाएगा। ये हमारा YTF की तरफ से एक मैसेज है।
राज्य के जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं उनके ऊपर उनके लिए आपका कोई मैसेज होगा क्या?
यही हम चाहते हैं। I just want to tell the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, please look this matter very seriously. This is not a lightly issues. It is a sentimental issues for us. If you take lightly, बाद में सारा जिम्मेदारी का दायित्व आपके ऊपर में रहेगा, क्योंकि हम भी नहीं चाहते अभी इस फ्लड के सीजन में, इस रेनी सीजन के किसी पब्लिक को कष्ट हो, हम भी नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि हम ना करने से भी हम करने पड़ेगा। अगर आपने ऐसा मौका या फिर ऐसा दायित्व नहीं दिया तो ऐसा डीएम को, एक डीएम के लिए पूरा त्रिपुरावासी को आप इतना तकलीफ मत दीजिए, यही हम कहना चाहते हैं the Chief Minister of Tripura.
However, the YTF of Tripura Motha has not even spoken against District Magistrate of Gumati District, Tarit Kanti Chakma, or has conducted a lockdown in the state even after 13 days of the incident. Now let us hear what the President of YTF said on that day during the press meet on 2nd June.
Government of Tripura, Honorable Chief Minister, all matter no judin serious concern na ya kangkai, bus kango, it will affect like coronavirus lockdown in Tripura. Entire state. Sing tini age was house, Gumoti district simi effect lag, Amo Sipaizol of effect night, South of effect night, Kway of effect night, Unokoti, North Dolai, everywhere after effect night, after Senate, Sino Dactor, Senate Sayani, Sinatawan Sudasi. So, Amon Sini final request, Aboni Pore, na government is Kanagala, Guli order no Santai Kirilia Kubiko Sanata and Kai. YTF bro, Sila ni Khorang, Guli ni Khorang of Kirilia, Aboni Bay and Sanani Muchungo, Tomono Om have behavior to Kankai. Please don't let us to take such step which was never happened in Tripura. I see. Sangabon Bay and Sanani Muchungo, Om Belen is serious, Bong ni Bagay serious Japanam, Chini Bagale serious I see. Aboni Bagay and Barbar Sawo government of Tripura, Khorang DM by the Tongnai. Na entire Tipra Sabaya Tongai, who is more powerful than you all, I say. Our man Sanan Muzon Bonga. Tomuno making Kayang Kai, we will be bound.
The SP of Gumati district was suspended after helping the protesters to lock down the government office. The police of the state raised several questions. Repeat. The people of the state raised several questions against Tripura Motha. Is this the end of Tripura land demand after the incident of Gumati district magistrate? Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.